cracking, guys? Omar Isaf here, back with another video, back with a very special guest. We have Zach, aka The Flexible Dieter, in the house to show a little bit about nutrition, all about making something healthier. In this case, it's going to be pizza. Now, Zach has been on Instagram for quite some time, about 4 years.
I would say about, let's say 3.
Yeah, 3 years. And I've tried a lot of different recipes over time, way back in the T-Nation days where you'd have, you know, healthy substitutions and they taste like shit. This is the real deal. You've been putting the time and effort into making all these delicious recipes. If you guys enjoy this one, which is a lower calorie, healthier pizza, make sure to like the damn video and leave us a comment in the comment section below what you want to see.
You have now the ability to make a Domino's homemade pizza for a fraction of the calories, and you can fit them into your macros on a daily basis. So no longer having to say, I'm gonna have a cheat day and just blow through my macros. Now you can literally make this. Omar, you saw how easy this was. You guys are gonna see in the video, super easy. The whole goal was to replicate a Domino's personal pan pizza.
So let's get right into this. This is going to be, once again, a lower calorie, better option for pizza. I know a lot of people are dieting. My boy, Slento Michael, right over there, he's also dieting. We have you in mind. We'll be doing a taste test, unbiased, with Mike and Connor to tell you guys how this pans out. Let's get started. It's so kind for Mike to volunteer to pay for this one, you know. I've known Mike now for about 3.5 years and he's always been a very generous person. There you go. That's for you.
Just to set the precedent here, so one way to lower the carbs in a pizza is to, and lower the actual macros, is to use not as much butter, and you can substitute in various cheeses, and then those cheeses actually allow you to use less actual flour, which actually makes it so much more macro friendly. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is actually microwave these cheeses so then they can be, melted and combined. All right, so we are now have our cheeses out of the microwave. They are melted. We're gonna actually combine them. Be careful. Be careful, the bowl is gonna be hot, so just really try your best to combine them the best you can. It's not gonna combine perfectly, but it will combine enough. So now,
we have an authentic Italian in the house that's gonna be judging pizza.
So since this spoon's already in the wet, I'm just gonna mix everything like this. Just be careful, don't have everything come out of the bowl. Normally you wanna mix with an actual spoon, but we're trying to be efficient here.
Yeah, approximately how long does it take to make this pizza?
Oh, 5 minutes if you're making it from yourself, from making the dough to getting it to the oven. So now you're just gonna try and combine all this together the best you can. So now we're gonna add our whole egg. So you can see it's not super combined. Add your whole egg in here.
Now, Zach, why does mine not look like yours?
What's up?
I said, why does mine not look like yours, as good as yours?
No, it takes some practice.
Okay, I understand. Yeah, I remember back in the day, I don't know if you ever read T-Nation.
Yep, oh gosh.
Oh, yeah. But
the place of good and bad information.
Yeah. And so their recipes, they had some stuff that came out, just Chris Shugart, not to insult the guy, but you know, I followed some of the stuff way back. This is like proto, like I'd say, like healthy substitutes.
Yep.
But they did not have that stuff down pat. Like the avocado, I remember distinctly making an avocado cheesecake that was actually way higher calorie than a regular cheesecake and tasted not nearly as good. Yeah. Is that Himalayan?
Pink Himalayan sea salt. One thing I gotta specify here is, for this recipe, you are gonna need, don't even worry about the pan, you need parchment paper, because we're gonna be spreading our crust on the parchment paper in order to get it to the shape it needs to go. Because we're gonna be using our spoon spreading it. If you use it on a regular pan, it's gonna stick.
Got it.
Parchment paper is essential. And one thing you can do in order to get your parchment paper to stick to your pan is you spray a little bit of non-stick spray. You can see it'll stay on there really well. Yep, so now we're just gonna take our mixture, add it to our pan.
Now we're gonna spread it around.
Now you're just gonna spread it into the shape of as big of a pizza as you can.
So do you want to be like the Guy Fieri of healthy food? Because he's an icon, and I see the hair, you know?
I would like to have more people in the food industry actually look like they're in good health.
Sure. Yeah.
And I need more people to be more creative and do more practical things that are actually, I want to simultaneously educate people on nutrition and flexible dieting and macros and the things that actually matter with nutrition, while also simultaneously giving them the best possible recipes that they can eat on a daily basis.
Here's a question then. What would you say is probably the biggest misconception? I mean, I've talked on my channel a lot about flexible dieting, but what would you say the biggest misconception for an outsider is about flexible dieting?
That you have to eat junk food.
Right.
That you have to eat junk food to do flexible dieting. You can do flexible dieting is simply a choice. I have a choice to eat junk food if I want to, but I understand how that junk food actually fits in the context of my actual diet. And that's really all it is. Man, yours is really circular, bro.
Yeah, we're both just super circular pizzas. We both have been doing this for years, putting in the time, grinding day in, day out, showing up, you know?
So just to give you guys perspective.
Yeah.
It's a legit crust. It smells like cheese bread.
Yep.
So now, add our sauce. You can add however much you want.
Bro, so now we have the finished product. I'm gonna give my honest opinion on this lower calorie pizza. I mean, it looks great. This cheese, I mean.
Moment of truth.
I mean, I'm gonna be straight up, that does taste great. This is one cheesy motherfucker right here. This legitimately does taste like a pizza. I know what you guys are thinking. All right, Omar, maybe you made this video, you brought Jack on. We need an unbiased guest. Let me bring the two-time, back-to-back consecutive 93-94 Domino's Pizza champion to give his authentic.
You wanna know pies?
Taste test.
You wanna know pies?
Him and Connor.
Come here, bud.
Hop on in.
Come here, pal.
I mean, I'm gonna eat myself.
We're talking pies.
Here you go.
Which one's the piece? I think this is the
No.
piece.
This is the.
That's good. That one's good too.
Right, go.
That's the piece.
So, whatever.
What do you doing? Whatever, man. Right, dude. This is important.
I mean, that's pretty great.
Look, Conair. Are you coming, bro?
Coming.
He went right in that.
Look, we're gonna be honest. Zach's my buddy. I can be honest with him. Texture, 10 out of 10's over here, right? The best. We're going 7 out of 10.
Okay.
7 out of 10 with our texture, and that's compared to the best normal pizza in the world.
Yep.
Taste, we're starting to creep. We're starting to creep. Now we're going 8.5 out of 9.5. 8.5 out of 9.5 for taste. So you sold me.
Yeah.
You sold me. You're right. It tastes like a double cheese.
Double cheese.
Double cheese.
I want to take one more bite. With,
Oh, crust.
Yeah, right there.
So, on the revamped taste test, texture, 7.5 out of 9. Taste, 8 out of 9.5. That's compared to the best pizza I could ever imagine. So, considering I'm literally burning fat as I'm eating this. I feel like, considering that, shit, 10 out of 10, you know?
Beauty.
All right.
Hey. Well, guys, that is the video. As you saw, we got an authentic taste test by the man himself, Michael. Not endorsed. This pizza is legit. You know, I could tell you put in the time and effort to make all these things really tasty, easy to make, and I have nothing but respect for you.
Appreciate you.
Honestly, man.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, so let me say this. For those that are interested in learning healthy recipes from you, I know you have a YouTube channel and you have Instagram. Shut that shit out.
Yeah, so the Flexible Dieting Lifestyle on Instagram, and then just type in Flexible Dieting Lifestyle on YouTube. We have tons of free recipes. We actually have one very similar to this one. It's the DiGiorno pizza. So definitely go check that one out. Yeah, so I appreciate Omar. Omar's been one of the first people I ever watched on YouTube. He's been a huge influence on me. So this is cool to see it all come full circle. And I appreciate you guys watching.
Hey, you could come anytime with this pizza. If you like the video,
Love the pizza.
love the pizza. Hey, like the damn video. I'll link all that in the description. Make sure to check out Zach. We're out of here. I'll see all you guys, my rascals, in that next video. Peace.
You can follow me
Who?
at
No, I'm sorry, I gotta eat this.
silentmike.com.